See, I mean, I was just telling you guys, remember I was saying Adventureland? What the hell? It's not even 10 o'clock yet. Hi, guys. Hey, remember Ian when we were walking through bag check, and there was nobody in line at bag check?
I told you don't jinx it.
And he said, don't jinx it. I think I jinxed it.
Yeah. Now there's a weird patch of breathing room.
I know, right? That was so weird. It's because they haven't fixed the crowd for Indiana Jones yet. There's always because people, especially when it closes, people tend to congregate. They look at the entrance to Indiana Jones and like, what do we do? I don't know what to do. And look at this queue. I was going to ride Jungle Cruise. They're not upstairs yet.
Some of this is people waiting for the Indy Fast Pass. So we can't.
Well, no, this isn't right here.
Yeah, but
there they are. Guys, there are tours departing daily, and we're going to get on one. You can get one of these maps if you ask for one. Go to the exit when you get off after you've finished your cruise, and they'll give you a copy of that map. True story.
That's what our skipper diplomas were.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. They were maps where they pulled up and wrote the diploma on the backside.
Hey, you guys remember that one time we were in this queue right here? We saw the clapper guy right there. He said hi to us. Remember that?
Just throw them overboard, okay? The ducks will do the rest. Yeah. Right here to your left, you have a beautiful 500-pound tiger. He does jump about 20 feet in the air. We're about 19 feet away from him, so I'm good. For the rest of you, didn't even try. Sorry. Watch out for Ginger. Yeah, she's a little snap. Yeah. You know, we call her Ginger Snaps for a reason. Don't worry. There's Bertha right there. So I've talked about Bertha. She's been in that shower for 60 years. A long time, you know. Probably all the wrinkles on her body. Hey, big square. What are we doing? Playing your favorite game? Duck, duck, wet the bow? I mean, I guess. You guys better duck. You're going to get wet. I'm serious. Hurry, duck! I'm kidding you. Dry humor. I would never put you guys through danger. Oh, danger. Let's get closer. Buddy, you're not scared, right? Are you sure? Oh, you're not scared. I am. I'm really scared. Oh, wow. Yeah, these gorillas. Yeah, they've gone bananas. I think we should split. They find you guys really appealing, that's why. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna let them monkey around. I mean, I just thought in the jungle that's my favorite part for all the young children on board. To find and all the beautiful animals we offer. In the front, you have 3 old horses. Yeah, you know those are old. They're still in black and white. Whatever those are. You got some long-necked cheetahs. Those are new. Yeah, my favorite part of the lions. Children under 8, do not worry. The zebra's sleeping, okay? Children over 8. Zebra's dead. We're in the hippo pool now. Yeah, you know what hippos do, right? Oh, and my gun's broken. That's kind of scary, right? It's okay, don't worry. I know you're scared. I'll scare these hippos off the way I scared my ex-boyfriend away. Hope it works. Here we go. I love you! I love you! Look, you're right away! Wow, you guys are like so ungrateful. Well, we're in headhunter territory now. Some of y'all don't want to be headed. Oh, there's my last cruise right there. You know why they're there? They were ungrateful. Yeah. Oh, dancing native. Yeah, I don't know what they're saying, so let's get out of here. Oh, there's an ambush. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, ain't the wonder of the world. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. I know. Reason why you came on the Jungle Cruise. It is a cold off-road is descending the backside of water. You're the only one that can win. That was a fun one. I got a front side of a rock. Fun fact, that's all limestone right there. Yeah, so don't take it for granted, okay? Wow, that's a pretty rock solid joke. You guys are great. So here's the water. We're good. Yeah, don't get in a relationship with him, sweetie. It's really constricting. Yeah. Alright, I got some good news and some bad news for the folks on this side. Good news is baby Ellie, she's adorable. Bad news is if you get wet, the water's dirty. There you go. Oh my God. I'm kidding, don't worry, it's not water. If you get wet, go to the doctor. Yeah. Alright guys, even tell them how to apology to survive the world famous Jungle Cruise. Yay! Oh, so much fun, right? So much fun. I get to go again. And again. The next 8 hours. Let's go, buddy. Alright guys, today's cruise though is brought to you by Animal Crackers. They're teaching young kids everywhere that all animals taste the same. They're delicious.
Was that, Sarah, was that the first time you heard that joke?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I heard one.
Is that a Jungle Cruise joke?
Yeah, well, there's two versions of it. There's that one, and the one I heard before also was, I want to move in with you.
Oh my God. That one got me like in my throat. I couldn't breathe after that one.
But she sold it a lot better than the guy I did.
Right, I think that's why. She was selling, because it caught me so off. I love you!
And Joe, she did seem a little bit rushing through some stuff.
She jammed through that.
Like she was hitting the throttle on the boat a little hard on some turns.
I'm like, oh wait, wasn't that, there's a boa, okay, bye boa constrictor.
Okay, you throttled a little too much, so we passed it.
She cruised right by the spears, the natives, yeah. And the boa constrictor, and we were already past the piranha when she started doing her piranha bit.
Dang it!